What is 3D printing? 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a new technology that has been around for a while now. 3D printing is a process of making a physical object from a digital 3D model. It can be used to produce prototypes, scale models, and even parts of machines. It is one of the most popular new technologies that is revolutionizing industries all over the world. The 3D printing process starts with a 3D model, created by a CAD program or scanned from an existing object. The CAD program slices the 3D model into hundreds or thousands of horizontal layers, which are then fed into the printer one layer at a time. It has been used in different industries, and it is still being developed to be more efficient and cost-effective. The automobile industry is using it to rapidly prototype new car models. Recent advances of 3D printing in healthcare have led to lighter, stronger and safer products, reduced lead times and lower costs. In early February 2020, the bulk carrier Berg-Mafadi was one of the world's first ships to receive a commercial delivery of 3D printed spare parts. 3D printing will enable decentralization, saving transport costs and driving down overall logistics expenses. It is definitely going to be a game-changing technology that will also make our lives easier and better.